The English alphabet. Other letter sounds. Practice the sounds of the letters. These 5 letters of the alphabet have other sounds. These letters are called vowels. A, A, A. E, E, E. I, I, I. O, O, O. Oo, oo, oo. Repeat this presentation many times.